So you want to capitalize your first letter. We have some text, maybe e-commerce text is coming in and we want to convert raw product tags into customer-facing titles, or we want to standardize our city and location names, or we have some technical like part names that we just want to clean up and make look nice, or I think it's the most common is capitalizing the names in some kind of column or cell. But also we might want to do just some quick formatting for tab names, headers within our sheets. Now, this is going to be very simple, but I'm going to warn you that it doesn't seem correct, right? There is upper, which is going to take all of the text and change it to uppercase. We have lower, which is going to change everything to lowercase. Neither of those need. And in Excel, we have the title case, but in Google Sheets, we have proper, and proper doesn't sound correct because it's not proper what we're doing. I mean, yes, I guess it is, but I don't know why, for some reason, Google Sheets names this function proper, where really it should be like title case. All the first letters are capitalized. And we could do it and do it and do it again. But I'm going to show you one little trick, which is wrap it with array formula and change B3 to B3:B, and now we do the entire column. Very simple to capitalize the entire column here. Any column you want, proper, everything with array formula and proper.
You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.